very big supporters of very Gathercole. Kasama natin si Rocky Gathercole here in Los Angeles. Rocky, congratulations muli sa inyong napakagandang show na nangyari dito sa Los Angeles. Ngayon natapos na siya, ano ang feeling mo?
Overwhelmed talaga ako kasi halos lahat ng collection na distribute sa iba't ibang celebrity. So they really love it. And nakakatuwa kasi pati mga magazines, makakover ako ng 2 bagong magazines. Like, basta I love it. This is really the city of angels.
Oo, ang Los Angeles, di ba? You're very busy. Besides designing clothes, you're also launching a makeup line.
Yeah, I'm having a makeup line, Jazzy, Gathercole, yung mga foundation, fresh powder, lipstick, pangduay.
Wow! Ang bilis mo naman mag-expand. Hindi lang fashion, ngayon makeup na rin.
Yeah, because I love seeing woman's face. Yung asset kasi ng babae yan eh.
Ang mukha?
Oo, mukha. Number 1 asset yan. Kahit na sa fashion show, they look first to the face bago yung damit, di ba? Kung bagay ba yung totality.
So ano yung may expect ng mga tao sa makeup line mo? Very Gathercole, I'm sure, right? But ano yung ibig sabihin nun? What is there to look forward to with your makeup? Ano yung kakaiba niya?
Gusto ko talaga sa babae yung fresh looking lang eh. Yung nakikita yung ganda talaga ng babae. Yung natural look. So, nandun ako sa simpleng style lang ng makeup.
Okay, which is very completely the opposite of your designs because your designs are extravagant and just mesmerizing. Alam ko, Rocky, nakilala kita sa Pilipinas just quite recently, nakatrabaho na rin kita. Napaka-humble mo at hindi ka isang tao na, ay, eto yung nagawa ko, eto yung nagawa ko. But ako na mismo magsasabi, lahat na ng pinakamalalaking celebrities na nakatrabaho mo na. Nicki Minaj, I know she just bought a lot of...
I'm doing her tour now.
Yes, her tour now. Lahat ng mga damit niya, ikaw yung gumawa, di ba? All this, Katy Perry, Ariana Grande,
J-Lo in Las Vegas.
J-Lo in Vegas right now. The clothes she's wearing on the stage, Rocky made it.
Ciara?
Ciara, yeah, Ciara, di ba? Okay, so lahat nitong mga celebrities, they are the biggest names in Hollywood. And to think that a Filipino designer did their clothes, how does that make you feel?
I'm happy.
Para kasi kay Rocky, trabaho lang.
Well, it's more of a job lang talaga eh. Pero, syempre, nung first time talaga na starstruck ako. Pero ngayon kasi parang normal na siya.
Normal na!
Mas na-starstruck ako sa iyo eh.
Rocky naman,
I'm a
pwede
fan
ba
of
yun?
G.
Ngayon, ka-dinner mo na si Cindy Crawford.
I did, yeah.
Yes. How has it been like when you meet these celebrities here in Hollywood? What are the things that you discuss? Like, do you talk about the designs that they would like to see?
Lang talaga. More on works lang.
Okay.
Tapos, later on natutuwa sila sa akin kasi ito lang pala ako.
Oo. Simpleng tao ka lang, Rocky.
Kasi I'm the opposite of what I'm doing eh. Hindi, yun yung reality, di ba? It's supposed to be opposite attracts.
Ayun, kaya ganun. So yung mga dinidesign mo talagang very avant-garde, but in reality, you're just a very simple person. Okay. So, nalalabas mo talaga yung creativity mo sa trabaho mo.
Especially pag ako mag-isa. Yung walang tao sa paligid ko.
Ibig mong sabihin, yung mga disenyo na nakita natin, ikaw lang yung gumawa?
Yung iba doon.
Okay. And everything is done where, Rocky? Iba-iba. Kasi you travel everywhere yan, di ba?
Some in Manila, some in LA.
Okay. So, yung mga designs mo kasi, parang kulang, hindi ka kasya sa maleta, sa iisang maleta.
Very true.
Right? You need several
boxes. Actually, palette. It should be palette para magkasya siya.
Diba? So, paano mo na-transport lahat ng mga, hindi siya damit eh. Art siya, art. How do you transport your art for your clients?
Pwede ko ba banggitin? DHL?
Oo naman!
DHL.
Oo. Diba? Lahat tayong mga kababayan nagbabalik-bayan box, diba? Yun lang pala yun.
Yun lang.
So, I'm sure nire-wrap mo yun ng, there's a special way to wrap
Yeah,
all
I do
of
it
that.
myself.
Okay. Lahat ata si Rocky na rin ang gumagawa.
Kasi delicate siya.
Oo,
Hindi
dapat
pwede
ikaw yung-
sila.
Oo.
So I have to do it myself.
Kasama natin si Rocky Gathercole here in Los Angeles. At marami pa tayong pag-uusapan pagbalik natin here on our show. Don't go away. We'll be right back.